Hello people, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do a hurricane vlog because Hurricane Irene decided to show up into my neck of the woods. So, sit tight and enjoy this vlog. And disclaimer, I look crusty right now. Alright, that's it, bye. Okay, we're gonna check the weather real quick. Right now it says it turned to a category 3 in Florida right now, but we're don't disregard the lighting. Now I'm about to do my makeup real quick because I gotta get ready for my meeting. So I'll come back in a few minutes. So, and give y'all an update with the weather. Okay, so the lights just flickered on and off. So that's just fabulous. And, let's see what outside looks like again. Mad dark outside, but okay, oh, that scared the mess out of me, that plant. Anyway, we just got done with my meeting. It was a 10 out of 10, like always. And now I'm about to make myself a girl dinner. So, yeah, peace out. The masterpiece has been complete. And I like to say it is the most impeccable, beautiful, amazing artwork I have ever done. So I present to you what I like to call girl dinner. Girl dinner. In desperate times, desperate measures, you can never go wrong with a hot dog. Thank you. It's next day. I survived. Yay! I'm back. So that's pretty much of the vlog. Everything looks great now. It was a little windy outside, but now it's getting back hot, which I do not appreciate whatsoever. But hope you enjoyed this vlog and stay tuned for more videos.